first quarter. Number 13, De La Peña for 3. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Inside, 2 points by number 2. Penetrate inside. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, float it up. It's good. Number 7. Wing side, nice crossover move. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. 5 to shoot. Number 7. What a shot. All 8 na natin score. Number 2. Pass to number 9. Fake. Inside pass to number 14. Number 14 inside. 2 points. Number 1 outside pass. Number 1 in the layup. It's good. Number 1. Foul number 10. First team foul. Number 3. Nice pass inside to number 14. 2 points by number 14. Number 0. Fake. Foul counted. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 9, corner 3. Foul. Number 3. Good screen. Number 3, mid-range shot. It's good. 2 points by number 3. Take the shoot. Rebound again by number 2. Number 2. Teardrop shot. It's good. 2 points by number 2. By number 9. Number 17 inside. 2 points by number 17. Content to shoot. Mid-range shot. 2 points by number 16. Nice pass inside. 2 points. Number 24. Corner pass to number 11. For 3. Number 10. Number 11, teardrop shot. It's good. Number 11, 2 points. 10 to shoot. Number 1. Penetrate inside. Nice pass inside to number 0. 2 points by number 0. Steal again by number 10. Number 10 teardrops. No good. Rebound again. 2 points by number 1. 0 in transition. Number 0 spins. Number 0 inside. 2 points by number 0. Number 11. Number 11 for 3. Bam! Mamas, good crossover move. 9 seconds. Rebound again by Mamas. 2 points by number 11. Number 17, steal again by number 14. Easy layup. 2 points by number 14. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Corner. 3 points. Bam! Corner pass to number 2. Number 2 inside. 2 points by number 2. Number 17 sets the screen. De La Peña, 10 to shoot. Inside pass to number 14. 2 points by number 14. De La Peña. Inside pass to number 14. Top shot. 2 points by number 14. Number 14, 3 on 2 break. Basket, 2 points by number 14. Number 0, penetrates inside. 2 points by number 0. Corner pass. Number 0. 0 inside. 2 points by number 0. Steal by number... Easy layup by number 1. By number 10. Steal by number 7. Number 7. Nice pass inside to number 1. Easy. 2 points by number 1. Number 2. Penetration inside. 2 points by number 2. First 2. 3 on 2 break. Side step. Basket count. 2 points by number 2. Brillante. Brillante side step. Oh, 2 points by number 17. Brillante. Number 2. Spin. Spin. Shot. Clean up the zone. 2 points. 7 back to number 0. Watches a 3, 5, whee! Number 0, 3, 2 points. Inside pass number 14, 2 points by number 14. So number 1 low